Okay, say this is your book. The first thing to do is to establish a horizontal, a vertical, and a horizontal line. This line would represent a specific value. Let's say this distance represents 4,000. 4,000. Let's say this represents 4,000. Here would have been 2,000. Here 3,000. Here 1,000. This point 4,000, 2,000, 1,000, 3,000. So I'll be using this as a scale to draw sketch outline for the floor plan. Now, it is important to know that each section, this is basically the freehand sketch, but this must be done using ratio and proportion. Once you have decided exactly how many sections you want your floor plan to contain, in this case you might want 3 bedroom, you might want 3 or 2 bathrooms, you normally 1 kitchen, 1 dining, 1 living room, 1 garage to accommodate 2 cars. You might want 1 sponge room or a half bathroom, 1 laundry. So once you have done that, the next thing is to establish the layout. So I would use this distance as a guideline to start my sketch. So first I would start here, use a box to represent my rectangle. This would represent my room, a bedroom. And this bedroom is about 4,000 by 4,000. Now my bathroom, which is typically 1,500 by 2,400. So I'm gonna use this. In this case, 1,500 would be like from here to here. So I'm gonna go up 1,500 by 2,000, 2,400, which would be someplace like there. So this would have been like my bathroom. I want the next bedroom here, and I want this bedroom to be about 3,600 by 3,600. That would be 12 by 12. So 3,600 would be like from here to here. So I'm gonna draw a line like from here to there. So this is a bedroom, bathroom, another bedroom. Now up here, I could add a closet. I want to add a closet here. And closet is typically 750 deep. The length normally it's not less than 4 feet or 1,200. So I'm gonna use the full length of this. So this is assumed to be 750 or less than 1,000. So this will be the closet space. Now I want 1 more bedroom up here. So I would again draw another line here to represent another bedroom. Right? Bedroom. So this is bedroom BED. Bathroom BATH. Bedroom BED. This is closet. Closet. This is bedroom. So here I have one bedroom, 2 bedroom, and a closet here. You will notice that I have 2 closets beside each other. One closet will open on this side. Next closet will open on this, open here. Next one will open on the other side for the other room. right? We have 3 bedroom. Now I would want a bathroom for this. This is a common bathroom. I would probably want another bathroom here. So I would let this be 1500 by 24 by 2400. That is the standard dimension for a bathroom. A 3-piece, which is 1500 by 2000. So here we'd have our bathtub here. Bathtub, our toilet, and our face basin. Face basin here. Now, from this, I could have my dining room here. A dining room here. From here, we could have a generated dining room. And from this dining room, we would have a kitchen beside this. So we have a kitchen here. Dining and kitchen here. Dining and kitchen. This could be an open concept. KITCHEN. Okay, I'm recording. Kitchen. Right? From there, we would want a passage here. We could have a living space here, a living room. Living room. Right? This could be all in one. This could be an open concept. Down here you could have a veranda here with our columns. One column there, next column here. So we would enter here into this bedroom, into that bedroom, down here to this bathroom, and from here around into the kitchen and dining. All right. So this could be laundry area. We could use here as a laundry. Laundry area. So this could be a sketch for your SBA. Pretty much. Next step would be to determine exactly where you want your doors to be. Here would be one door. We could put another door here. Another door could be placed here. Another door could be placed here. A door could be placed here. Another door here. This could be a cutout area. We could have another open area here. Open, and that open could be here as well. We would want entrance into the living from here, so this could be open as well. So the passage here would be the passage from here, veranda, all the way down into this bedroom, into that. From here into the kitchen, into the dining, come around here into the laundry. So that could basically be one sketch for your SBA.